Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba the Hinokami Chronicles 2 crashing or not launching on PS5. So if you are into the same situation and looking for fixes, then go through this video. So let's start. So the first method is to restart your PS5. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue. It resolves the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such kind of problem. So simply open PS5 screen, tap on PlayStation button on controller, and after that select power button and then restart PS5. After your system or console restarts, now try to launch the game and check if this works. Is to rebuild database. For that you have to go to PS5, switch it off. Now hold down the power button unless 2 beep sound occurs. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and after that select rebuild database. After this try to launch the game on your PS5 and check if the issue is resolved. If not, the next solution is to check storage space on your console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move to storage. Now you need to click on console storage or extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete saved data. After that, go to PS5 settings, then click on saved data and game or app settings. And from here select console storage and tap on delete option. Now after checking the storage space on console and removing the unwanted files, now try to play the game and check if it is resolved. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that you need to go to settings, then click on network, then again go to settings and then click on set up network connection. Here you need to click on options, then under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 gigahertz only or 2.4 gigahertz only and select whatever you want, and after that check if the problem is resolved. If not, the next solution suggested is to change the language on your console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Now here choose language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language. After that change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is fixed now. The next solution is to check for game updates. It's an important step that you should follow. You should always check whether the game is updated or not or running in older version. This is because the developers often releases patches to deal several kind of bugs or other issues to improve performance. So make sure you don't miss this step and check if there is any update on the game. Next is to restore licenses. For that you need to go to settings, then user accounts, then move down to others on the left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that select the game and then click on restore. Finally confirm it by selecting yes, and after that check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to check HDMI cable. Make sure your HDMI cable is properly connected or is in proper condition. You should check it, and if there is any problem on the cable, simply change it or use another one to solve the issue. Next solution suggested is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that you need to go to settings on your PS5 controller, then click on users and accounts. Now go down and click on other options. After that click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error is fixed or not. The next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that open settings on your PS5. Now select system, then go to system software. After that system software update and settings. Here select update system software and finally select update using internet option. Once done, now check if the problem you are facing is solved or not. Next solution is to delete game's save file. For that, you need to go to settings on your PS5. After that, select saved data. Now select upload or delete from console storage. After that, select the game, and that's it. Now the game's save file will be deleted after try to launch the game and check if it works. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, go to settings on your PS5, then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here you need to select reset default settings and finally select restore option. After resetting your console settings, now try to launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. If not, then next method is to reinstall the game. So what you need to do is simply highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. After that, select delete and confirm it. Next, restart your PS5 and again reinstall the game and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If you are getting the same issue continuously after following the methods suggested, it's time to take help from support team. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Go through that link and you can easily contact the support team for help. Explain them the issue you are coming across and hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end. So all these are some of the suggested solutions that I have provided to fix the game that is crashing or not launching or facing other issues on PS5. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.